So here's an interesting idea. So we know the way that artificial models work, LLMs, large language models, and they typically take weights of probabilities and then go with the most likely answer or result. But have you ever wondered whether they really understand? Because sometimes when you type stuff into a large language model or you speak with a large language model, it's clear that they can associate your words and put something together and respond in a certain way. But I always sort of feel that some of the misunderstandings that they have seem to indicate that they don't really understand. So humans understand, like they have this sort of idea or mental frame, which allows them to really get a concept deeply. But an LLM just has words and information, and the concept itself seems somewhat separate. It's like it doesn't really mean anything to the language model. And I don't know whether this is true because we don't know what's actually going on inside that model, and we have a problem of mind. But when I understand a concept, I have a clear idea of what's being said and each of those words and its relevance within a question or framework. And sometimes, obviously, the language model is able to understand the context of in which a word is used and that kind of thing. But it sometimes seems like it's not really understanding, it's just associating things together. And maybe at some level we are too, and we probably are. But I feel it doesn't really understand. So I don't know whether it is necessary for it to understand to really become super intelligent. I think it can exhibit some superhuman abilities without it needing to truly understand. But there's probably a limit to what it can do. Anyway, let me hear your thoughts below.